Hello viewers, today in this video I'm gonna review this strategy which says it can give 100% win rate. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I bring the most profitable strategies. And now guys, let's jump to our strategy video. So this strategy can be applied to any market, whether it is crypto, forex or stocks, and we will be using GMT USDT, which is a crypto coin, because I have tested this strategy on this particular coin, and we are using 5-minute time frame, and this can be easily applicable to any time frame, any coin or any time frame. So you can see my result of trade. So I have tested this strategy, so it for me it gone well. So let's see what happens in this strategy. So viewers, first of all, for this strategy we'll needs only two indicators. The first one is called SSL channel, and the second one indicator is called commodity channel index, this one CCI. So we'll do settings. First of all, go to SSL channel and change the setting to 13, both periods. Okay, all right. So the second is we will do the styling of CCI. We will change these upper and lower lines, and we will turn them into green and red respectively, and we will turn into line. So this will indicate our overbought and our sold region. So that's it. That is all the settings from indicator. So this looks all right. So now for buying and selling, look carefully. We will have this CCI line above the 100 of over bought region. So we also have a new crossover of SSL channel. We place stop loss below the previous red of the SSL channel. So you can see this is a easy profitable winning trade. So this was our first long. Let's look for another signal. So here we can also see another signal. You can see CCI is going below the red line here, and you can see there is also a new crossover in the SSL channel, so which triggers our short position. So but a tip for you is you will place stop loss, you will place the trade whenever it goes below that trigger point. So I hope you understand this point. So this is another signal. You can see CCI is going, but we will not take this trade because SSL channel has already given previously the trade signal. So here is the new signal. It is a fresh one where both the indicators are giving a fresh signal, so both should almost align, or there should be a not much difference of like 3 to 4 bars or candles, not that much. So that will be a good profitable trade. So you can see we have another good short trade, and this is very important for you, that remember this thing, that both the indicators should post a fresh signal. Like whenever CCI is below, there should be a good new crossover from the SSL channel that add weight to your setup. So that being said, you can see how much winning trade we can get from this, and we will also see the back testing of it in a short while. So I have recorded all the result in an Excel sheet, and you can see I have manually recorded almost 33 trades, and within 1 month, and that gives us 82% win rate. So tip for you is that you should also make sure to use EMA, and we will change the setting to 200, and this will give you more confirmation, so you don't get into a wrong trade. So whenever EMA 200, the candles are above 200 EMA, so we will take only long positions, no short position. So and so this signal will not be taken. So it adds more confirmation to your trading setup, so it will so you will not get into any wrong trade. So it's up to you how you use this. You can use EMA also, or you can use only two indicators. And that is our video. So I hope you like today's strategy, and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.